How to add music in Canva video in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's say this is the video I want to edit or add a music into. So after that you have to just click on the elements from here and you just have to simply click on the audio files. As you can see, there are audio files. You just click on see all and you can just search a audio related to this video. Let's say I'll just search fire, as it's a video of fire. As you can see, all the music available is for pro versions, so you need to have the pro version to use this audio in your video and then download it. So let's just say this is the audio I want to add to my video, so you can just drag and drop it under the audio section and you can just stretch it related to the video. As you can see, it's now 8 seconds, and as in the video is 8 seconds long, and you can just play it now, and the audio of fire is included in the video. And if you are using the pro version, you can just export it like this, and if you are using a free version, you just have to find a free audio that is available here, and after that you just have to click on share and click on download, and you can just click the high quality video like MP4 video and click on download with Canva Pro and download the video which you have edited and adjusted with adding a audio file to it. So that's it for this video. That's how you add music in Canva video. See you on the next one, guys.